3 square meals. Okay, so we have some vocabulary over here. We have some vocabulary, and we're going to read them together. I want you to repeat with me while I read, okay? I want you to repeat. Do you know what is the meaning of repeat? It means saying the same word. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Alright, so the first word over here we have soup. Once again, soup. One last time, soup. As you can see, this is soup. This is soup. Is one of those light things that we eat for dinner sometimes. That's a soup. And then we have omelette. Again, omelette. One last time, omelette. Omelette consists of what? Well, that's right. It consists of eggs. That's right. It's eggs. And sometimes you have some vegetables with it. For example, as you can see here, some tomato and some onions. Alright, so the third one, we have pancakes. Again, pancakes. One last time, pancakes. Well, probably not many people have them here in Saudi Arabia. However, outside, let's say for example in the United States, they have a lot of pancakes. So what we have here, sort of like a honey, it is called actually, do you know what is that one called? It's called syrup. That's what we call it. It's called syrup. And I believe that's sort of like butter or cheese. I believe it's butter. Okay. That's right, it's delicious. Yes, that's delicious. Well, it looks delicious. So it's called pancakes because it's a group, so pancakes. Then we have here, well, I believe this one is our friend in Saudi Arabia. What do we call it? It's rice. Again, we call it rice. One last time, rice. And you know rice very well. We make kabsa out of rice and we make many other things. I believe most of our traditional Saudi dishes consist of rice, and also in Asia, I believe East Asia, they actually eat rice a lot. For example, Japan, Indonesia, and so on. Okay, so rice. Then we have donuts. Again, donuts. One last time, donuts. Some people have them for breakfast. They are full of sugar and they give you a lot of energy. It's called donuts, and I believe they look quite delicious into this picture. So one last time, donuts. Okay, then we have lamb kebab. Again, lamb kebab. One last time, lamb kebab. Do you know what's a lamb? Lamb is, as you know, it's a sheep, but a very small sheep. When it's small, they call it lamb. And kebab, I believe we know what kebab is. It's one of those Arabic dishes that we know, Middle Eastern dishes that we know. As you can see here into the picture, it's sort of meat because it's the lamb meat. So they call it lamb kebab. Yes, that's right. Many people do actually have it for lunch. Yes, many people have lamb kebab for lunch. That's right. Okay, so which of these do you have for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? We're going to put them, as you know, we're going to put them in letters. So when we have something for lunch or dinner, when you have something for breakfast, we're going to write a B letter into it. And when we have something for lunch, it will be L. And when we have something for dinner, it will be D. So first of all, what do we have? What do we have for dinner or lunch or breakfast? What about kebab? When do we have kebab? Do we have it for lunch or for dinner or for breakfast? What do you think? When do we have it? The kebab? We have it on with? Well, yes, we have it for dinner. That's right, we have it for dinner. You can have it for dinner, and also we can have it for lunch. That's right. So we're going to write D, which is dinner. What about pancakes? Pancakes over here, what about it? When do we have pancakes? We have it for, well, pancakes, we actually have it for breakfast. That's right, breakfast. That's right. So we're going to write breakfast, which is a B. What about soup? Soup is usually something we have for, well, mostly, especially because it's very light, we have it for dinner. That's right, dinner. That's right. And then what about rice? As you can see here, rice. When do we have rice? Rice is usually, as Saudi people, we have it for lunch. That's right, we have it for lunch. Absolutely amazing. What about the omelette? Omelette is quite clear, I guess. No one will make a mistake about omelette because we do it. That's right, we have it for breakfast. That's right, we have it for breakfast. And now, and finally, what about donuts? Donuts, when do we have them also? When do we have donuts? As you can see them here. When do we have donuts? Also we have them for, that's right, we have them for breakfast too. Breakfast, which is B, that's right. It's a B, which is breakfast. Okay, so we are done with these three. We are done with these, I'm sorry, we are done with these six, of course. We have mentioned, for example, kebab, we can have it for lunch or also for dinner, and rice for lunch. For breakfast, we can have pancakes, omelette, and of course, donuts. Also, we can have soup for dinner.